All right, staying on track with your health and fitness goals while traveling can be very, very difficult. And I get it. You've worked so hard for this vacation, this special trip that you have coming up, and you want to just throw in the towel and enjoy yourself. You don't want to worry about exercising and watching what you're eating. However, if you just throw all of your healthy foundational habits out the window, it's likely going to be very difficult to get back on track when you return from that vacation. So here are some tips to just staying on track with your health and fitness while traveling. Okay, number one is plan ahead. If you're anything like me, when I'm going on vacation, I'm usually planning ahead when it comes to restaurants that we're gonna go to. I'm looking at the menu in advance, planning out what I'm going to eat. And sometimes it might not be a meal that is the best for me. However, I usually know how I am going to budget that meal into my caloric needs that is going to also fit my goal for that day. So plan ahead. Pick the healthier option. And if you're going to have a glass of wine or you're going to opt in for dessert that night, just make sure that your meal is full of nutrients, your macronutrients, so that you can splurge and still feel good about it in the morning. All right, number two is pack healthy snacks. It always blows my mind when traveling in the airport and you see people at the snack kiosks and they're just getting the most random unhealthy snacks. And sometimes I will watch people get these snacks and I wonder, is that the way they eat at home? Because I often feel like when people are in the airport, they're in this no man's land where there are no rules. You can eat and drink and do whatever you want because you're stuck in this place and you can't get out. And so there are so many people that go to airports and they eat so unhealthy. And that's a terrible way to start your vacation. And if you're not able to pack healthy snacks, opt for the healthy snack when you go to the convenience store or when you're going to the airport snack kiosk. There are definitely healthier options than a donut or a honey bun. Number three, be mindful of portion sizes and really practice mindful eating. Sometimes I like to think back to when my grandmother was my age. And I know that she didn't eat some of the healthy foods that I eat today, but she also didn't eat these huge portion sizes that we fill our plates with. People back then, they didn't eat as healthy, but they also didn't eat as much, aka also the reason why we're gaining weight when we're on vacation, because we're overeating big time. Number four, stay hydrated. Bring a reusable water bottle if possible so that you can just refill it throughout the day. And if that's not an option, go to a local convenience store or a grocery store and buy a case of waters for your hotel room, or just throw it in the back of your car so that you're always staying hydrated throughout the day. Number five, stay active. Now, this doesn't mean that you have to continue on your regular workout routine while you're on vacation, but try to find ways to incorporate daily movement into your schedule while you're traveling. So for example, could you bike to the restaurant? Could you go on a hike? Could you rent scooters around town? Just try to find ways to add daily movement into your schedule while traveling. Number six, prioritize sleep. Now, I get it. When you're on vacation, sometimes you stay out late, you're hanging out with your family and your friends, and it's really hard to want to get in bed early. And that's okay. You should enjoy yourself. However, if you don't sleep, you are going to suffer the next day and days to come. So still try to prioritize your sleep. Number seven, limit alcohol consumption. While it's tempting to indulge in vacation drinks, excessive alcohol consumption can negatively impact your health and disrupt your entire routine. Drink in moderation or opt for healthier alternatives like mocktails or infused waters. And number eight, stay consistent with your medications and your supplements. If you take multivitamins and magnesium and other supplements throughout the week, don't just completely stop taking those while you're on vacation. Bring all of those with you so that you still feel good. Remember, the key is to find the balance that allows you to travel and experience while still prioritizing your health and well-being. Listen to your body and make conscious choices and be flexible when necessary.